What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. As you can see, I made a Glock 17 pistol, and I made a tactical shotgun from Fortnite. And this is a pistol magazine, so it goes in the pistol. Ooh, here we go. So this Glock 17 pistol has had quite a history. So, yeah, it has been adopted by several militaries. And yeah, so enough about the pistol. Now onto the shotgun. This shotgun, the shotgun is from a video game, but but it doesn't have a flashlight attachment. I didn't make a hole to like eject shotgun shells into it. So yeah. So let me take this piece off. So this is just an attachment I made. So that's the piece I made, and then here's the actual tactical shotgun with an underbarrel flashlight. Here's a barrel, and yeah, it's like it's a really good weapon. Even it's a good weapon to upgrade in Fortnite as well. So try and find one and see if you can upgrade it. So thank you for watching.